probably for that right there.
Probably.
Yeah, get a picture of this house, like blue sky and then gray.
Alright. What is it, honey?
I'm scared.
You're scared? The neighbors are hollering too.
I'm scared of what hollering means.
What are you scared of?
I'm scared of the tornado.
The tornado's not gonna get us. It's over there. It's over there, see? Aubrey! What are you doing?
Daddy, are you?
Oh, there's something else coming? Really? Yeah!
There is something else coming.
Oh!
No,
Run! Run that way! Run!
I can run really fast.
Woohoo! Hey! What's that noise?
It's a siren
For what?
for the tornado.
Yeah.
The tornado's gonna get us.
No, it's not.
We just need to hide a minute
Where did Daddy tell you to hide?
because
No, where?
in the closet where all the stuff is in the bathroom.
Did he take it out for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where will you hide, Daddy?
Bathtub.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Oh, don't sit on me.
You are.
Don't sit on me. You peed your pants, didn't you? You did. You did. Look at my pants. You.